So now that we have finished your external DCR, the next is post-op instructions. We highly recommend that you follow these instructions, which I will be explaining right now. First thing is avoid spicy food. At least for the first week, please do not have anything spicy because it will make you prone to sneeze and to have a running nose. The second point is I do not want you to eat cold or hot food. Cold meaning nothing from the fridge, and extremely hot food, tea, coffee. Please avoid all that for the first week. This is the most important first instruction which I have for you. Please do not blow your nose. We have made the sutures within the nose, so we do not want to disturb it for the first week. We will be giving you drops which you have to instill into your nose, which will prevent you from sneezing or having a running nose. The third point is there will be sutures which are seen on the nasal part of your eye. Please clean them with the ointment and with the betadine solution which will be provided by the hospital. Cleaning should be done very neatly in the morning and in the evening with earbuds which will be provided again by the hospital. Something I'd like to just warn you, for the first 2 days, there will be a bit of nasal bleeding. Few drops of blood from the nose is inevitable and nothing to worry about. Just clean it with cloth or a bud and just tightly press your nose when you see this bleeding. Bending forward or bending backward can also help. If any kind of secretions which come from the nose, just swallow it. Do not blow your nose. Tablets and drops for the nose and the eye will be given in the hospital and it will be explained by the nurse. Take a head bath or a shower after 1 week. A body bath can be taken from the next day onwards. I hope you follow all the instructions. I wish you a speedy recovery.